Hello kids, today we will start Staple an integrated semester series Semester 1 LKG about me. So kids, let's learn about me. I am safe. I am friendly. I am kind. I am creative. I am loved. I am happy. I am brave. I am strong. Alphabets. So kids, let's learn English alphabets. Look at the pictures and read aloud. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for jeep. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for owl. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quilt. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for vulture. W. W for whale. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Curvy lines. Trace the left and right curvy lines. So kids, we will trace the given lines and complete the curvy lines. So kids, this is how your curvy lines looks alike, and you will complete the rest of the line on your own. This is the curvy line from right to left. So, you will do same to complete the rest of the line. Trace the up and down curvy lines. Let's trace the curvy lines. This is the up to down curvy line. And this is down to up curvy line. So this is how you will complete the rest of the lines. Slant and zigzag lines. Trace the slant lines. So kids, these are the slant lines. From left to right, you will trace them and complete them. Kids, these are the lines. From right to left, you will trace the rest of the dots and complete them. Trace the zigzag lines. So kids, this is how zigzag line looks alike. You will trace the rest of the lines and complete them. Vertical and horizontal lines. Trace the standing lines. So kids, these are the standing lines. Let's trace them. Kids, this is how standing lines looks alike. You will trace rest of the lines. Trace the sleeping lines. So kids, this is how sleeping lines looks alike. You will trace rest of the lines and complete them. The underwater friendship. Anna and Sana and the magic turtle meet a kind fish who helps them find their way through the ocean. Together, they explore the underwater world and make new friends along the way. Exploring L. Fill the letters with color. So kids, here you can see letter L is drawn. You will fill color in it. This is capital L and this is small l. You will fill your favorite colors in it. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, here you can see a picture. You will color it and also trace its name, which is written here. So kids, this is how you will trace its name. Trace. Let's trace the dot. So kids, this is how you will trace the given lines and complete the alphabet L. Time to learn L. Draw a circle around L in the world. Letter L, capital L, small l. This is lion. Lion. So, circle L. This is lamp. Lamp. Circle L. This is lemon. Lemon. Circle L. This is leaf. Leaf. Circle L. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentence. So kids, here pictures are given and also here you can see some connected lines to the pictures are written. So we will draw the lines between them. For example, this is lion. Here is a lion. This is lamp. Here is a lamp. This is lemon. Here is a lemon. This is leaf. Here is a leaf. Exploring I. Fill the letters with color. So kids, here you can see letter I is drawn and you will fill your favorite colors in it. This is capital I and this is small I. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, you will color this picture and also trace its name, which is written here. For example, ice cream. This is the picture of ice cream. Trace. So, let's trace the letter I. So kids, this is how you will trace the given lines and complete the letter I. Time to learn I. Draw a circle around the I in the word. This is letter I, capital I, small I. Ink pot. I-N-K-P-O-T. Ink pot. Circle the letter I. Iron. I-R-O-N. Circle the letter I. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Circle the letter I. Ice. I-C-E. Circle the letter I. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentences. So kids, we will connect the pictures to its related sentences. For example, this is ice cream. Here is an ice cream. Iron. Here is an iron. Ink pot. Here is an ink pot. Igloo. Here is an igloo. Exploring F. Fill the letter with colors. So kids, here you can see letter F is drawn and you will fill your favorite colors in it. This is capital F and this is small f. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, this is the picture. You will color it and This is its name. You will trace it and complete its name. Trace. Let's trace the letter F. So kids, this is how you will trace the given lines and complete the letter F. Time to learn F. Draw a circle around the F in the word. So, this is F, capital F, small f, fish, F-I-S-H. So, we will circle letter F. This is frog, F-R-O-G, frog. We will circle letter F. This is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. We will circle letter F. This is fox, F-O-X, fox. We will circle letter F. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentences. So kids, let's connect the picture to its sentences. Fox. Here is a fox. Flower. Here is a flower. Frog. Here is a frog. Fish. Here is a fish. Exploring T. Fill the letters with color T. So kids, here you can see letter T is drawn. So you will fill your favorite color in it. This is capital T and this is small t. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, you will color this picture in your favorite colors and also trace its name. Trace. Let's trace the letter T. This is how you will trace the given lines and complete the letter T. Time to learn T. Draw a circle around the T in the word. This is T, capital T, small t, tiger, T-I-G-E-R. Circle the letter T. Tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. So, circle the letter T. This is capital T and this is small t. Tree, T-R-E-E. Circle the letter T. Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O. Capital T and small t. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentences. So kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentences. Tortoise. Here is a tortoise. Tree. Here is a tree. Tiger. Here is a tiger. Tomato. Here is a tomato. Exploring H. Fill the letters with color. So kids, you will fill the given letters in your favorite colors. This is capital H and this is small h. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, you will color this picture in your favorite colors and also trace its name by joining the given small lines. Trace. So kids, let's trace the letter H. So, this is how you will complete the letter H. Time to learn H. Draw a circle around the H in the word. This is capital H and this is small h. Hen. H-E-N. Draw the circle around the alphabet H. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Draw the circle around the letter H. H-U-T. Hut. Draw the circle around the letter H. H-O-R-S-E. Draw the circle around the letter H. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentences. Horse. Here is a horse. Hut. Here is a hut. Hen. Here is a hen. Hat. Here is a hat. Exploring E. Fill the letters with color. So kids, you will fill the given letter in your favorite colors. This is capital E and this is small e. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, you will color this given picture and also trace its name. Trace. So kids, let's trace the alphabet E. This is how you will complete the letter E. Time to learn E. Draw a circle around the E in the word. This is E, capital E and small e. Elephant. E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Draw the circle around the letter E. This is capital E and E. This is small e. Envelope. E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. So, we will draw the circle around the letter E. Here you can see one capital E and two small e's. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. So, capital E and small e. Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. We'll draw the circle around the capital E and small e. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the picture to its sentence. Elephant. Here is an elephant. Envelope. Here is an envelope. Eagle. Here is an eagle. Engine. Here is an engine. Matching. Match each small letter to its capital letter. So kids, we will match small letter to its capital letter. Small l, capital L, L for leaf. Small t, capital T, T for tortoise. Small I, capital I, I for igloo. Small h to capital H, H for horse. Small f to capital F, F for flower. Small e to capital E, E for engine. Color by code. Color and complete the picture using the code given below. T, green. H, purple. F, red. So kids, here you can see some pictures are given and some alphabets also written on it. So you will color them according to the code. For F, you will color red. For H, you will color purple. And for T, you will color in green. So this is how you will complete this activity. Let's write. Look at the pictures and write their first letter. So kids, here you can see some pictures are given. So we will write their name's first letter in the given space. For example, this is lamp. Lamp start with letter L. So we will write here L. This is eyes. Eyes start with I. This is tree. So tree start with letter T. This is lemon. So lemon start with letter L. This is iron. Iron start with letter I. This is tomato. Tomato start with letter T. This is frog. Frog start with letter F. This is eagle. Eagle start with letter E. This is fox. Fox start with letter F. This is envelope. Envelope start with letter E. This is hut. Hut start with letter H. This is hat. Hat start with letter H. Exploring N. Fill the letters with color. So kids, here you can see letter N is drawn and you will fill color in it with your favorite colors. So this is capital N and this is small n. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, here you can see a picture. You will color it and also trace its name here. Trace. So let's trace the letter N. So this is how you will trace it and complete it. Time to learn N. Draw a circle around the N in the word. So kids, this is letter N. Capital N, small n. Time to learn N. Draw a circle around the N in the word. So kids, this is letter N. Capital N, small n. Nest, N-E-S-T, nest. So draw the circle around the letter N. Nurse, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. We'll draw the circle around the letter N. Nut, N-U-T, nut. Draw the circle around the letter N. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. So, we'll draw the circle around the letter N. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentence. So, kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentence. Nurse. Here is a nurse. Nose. Here is a nose. Nut. Here is a nut. Nest. Here is a nest. Exploring A. Fill the letters with color. So kids, you will fill the given A with your favorite colors. This is capital A and this is small a. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, here you can see the picture. You will color it and also trace its name, which is written here. Trace. So kids, let's trace the letter A. So this is how you will trace the letter A and complete it. Time to learn A. Draw a circle around the A in the word. Kids, this is alphabet A, capital A and small a, aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. So here we will circle the letter A. This is capital A and also a small a. Ant, A-N-T, ant. Circle the letter A. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Circle the letter A. Alligator, A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. So here is one capital A, we'll circle it, and other small a, will circle it too. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentence. Apple. Here is an apple. Alligator. Here is an alligator. Aeroplane. Here is an aeroplane. Ant. Here is an ant. Exploring V. Fill the letters with color. So kids, you will fill this letter with your favorite color. This is capital V and this is small v. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, here you can see a picture. You will color it and also trace its name here. Trace. So kids, let's trace the letter V. This is how you will trace the letter V and complete it. Time to learn V. Draw a circle around the V in the word. So kids, this is the letter V, capital V and small v. Van. V-A-N. So we will circle around the letter V. Violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. We'll circle the around letter V. Vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. So we'll circle around the letter V. Vase. V-A-S-E. Vase. So we'll circle the around letter V. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentence. Vase. Here is a vase. Vegetables. Here is a vegetables. Violin. Here is a violin. Van. Here is a van. Exploring M. Fill the letters with color. So kids, here you can see letter M is drawn. So you will fill your favorite colors in it. This is capital M and this is small m. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, here you can see a picture. So you will color it and also trace its name, which is written here. Trace. Let's trace the letter M. This is how you will trace the letter M and complete it. Time to learn M. Draw a circle around the M in the word. This is letter M. This is capital M and this is small m. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Circle the letter M. Moon. M-O-O-N. Circle the letter M. Muskmelon. M-U-S-K-M-E-L-O-N. This is muskmelon. So here are two M's. One capital M, will circle it, and other is small m, will also circle it. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. This is monkey. So we'll circle letter M. Draw a line to connect the pictures and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentence. Musk melon. Here is a musk melon. Moon. Here is a moon. Monkey. Here is a monkey. Mango. Here is a mango. Exploring X. Fill in the letters with colors. So kids, you will fill the given letter with your favorite colors. This is capital X and this is small x. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, you will color this given picture and also trace its name here. Trace. Let's trace the letter X. So this is how you will trace the letter X and complete it. Time to learn X. Draw a circle around the X in the word. Kids, this is letter X. This is capital X and this is small x. Xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. Xylophone. So you will circle the letter X. Xmas tree. X. M-A-S-T-R-E-E. So you'll circle the letter X. X-ray. X-R-A-Y. You'll circle the letter X. Xerox. X-E-R-O-X. So you'll circle the letter X. Here is capital X. You'll circle it, and here is small x. You'll also circle it. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentence. Xmas tree. Here is an Xmas tree. X-ray. Here is an X-ray. Machine. Here is a machine. Xylophone. Here is a xylophone. Exploring W. Fill the letters with color. So kids, you will fill this W with your favorite colors. This is capital W and this is small w. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, here you can see a picture. You will color it and also trace its name, which is written here. Trace. So kids, let's trace a W. So kids, this is how you will trace the W and complete it. Time to learn W. Draw a circle around the W in the word. So kids, this is alphabet W, capital W, small w. Watermelon. Watermelon. So we will circle letter W. Wall. Wall. So here we'll circle letter W. Wall. 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 So here we'll circle letter W. Well. Well. Here we'll also circle letter W. Watch. 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 So we'll circle W. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the pictures to its relatable sentence. Wall. Here is a wall. Watch. Here is a watch. Well. Here is a well. Watermelon. Here is a watermelon. Match and write. Match each small letters with its capital letter and write it. So kids, we will match small letter to its capital letter and also write here in the given space. Small a, capital A. Small n, capital N. Small m, capital M. Small v, capital V. Small w, capital W. Small x, capital X. Exploring K. Fill the letters with colors. So kids, you will fill this letter with your favorite color. This is capital K and this is small k. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, here you can see a picture, you will color it and also trace its name which is written here. Trace. So kids, let's trace the alphabet K. So this is how you will trace it and complete it. Time to learn K. Draw a circle around the K in the word. So kids, this is letter K, capital K and small k. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. We will circle letter K here. King. K-I-N-G. King. We'll circle letter K here. Key. K-E-Y. So we'll circle letter K here. Kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E. So we'll circle letter K here. Draw a line to connect the pictures and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentence. King. Here is a king. Key. Here is a key. Kettle. Here is a kettle. Kite. Here is a kite. Exploring Y. Fill the letters with color. So kids, here you can see letter Y is drawn. So you will fill it with your favorite colors. This is capital Y and this is small y. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, you will color this picture and also trace its name here. Trace. So kids, let's trace the letter Y. This is how you will trace it and complete it. Time to learn Y. Draw a circle around the Y in the word. So kids, this is the letter Y. This is capital Y and small y. Yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. We'll circle letter Y here. Yarn. Y-A-R-N. We'll circle letter Y here. Yo-yo. Y-O-Y-O. So we'll circle Y here. This is capital Y and this is small y. Yak, Y-A-K, yak. So we'll circle letter Y here. Draw a line to connect the picture and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentence. Yak. Here is a yak. Yo-yo. Here is a yo-yo. Yarn. Here is a yarn. Yacht. Here is a yacht. Exploring Z. Fill the letters with color. So kids, you will fill this letter with your favorite color. This is capital Z and this is small z. Color the picture and trace its name. So kids, here you can see a picture. You will color it and also trace its name, which is written here. Trace. So kids, let's trace the letter Z. So kids, this is how you will trace it and complete the rest of the Z's. Time to learn Z. Draw a circle around the Z in the word. So kids, this is letter Z, capital Z and small z. Zoo, Z-O-O, zoo. We'll circle letter Z. Zip, Z-I-P, zip. So we'll circle letter Z. Zero, Z-E-R-O, zero. So we'll circle letter Z. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. So we'll circle letter Z here. Draw a line between the picture and its sentence. So kids, let's connect the picture to its relatable sentence. Zip, here is a zip. Zero, here is a zero. Zebra, here is a zebra. Zoo, here is a zoo. So kids, let's sing a rhyme together. Summer. In the summer when the days are hot, I like to find a shady spot and hardly move a single bit. I sit and sit and sit and sit. Circle these things hidden in the picture. So kids, here you will see the picture carefully and then circle these hidden things. For example, sun is here, bird is here, and squirrel is here. Find the difference. Circle the odd one out in each row. So kids, let's circle the odd one out. Potato, potato, onion, potato. So onion is odd one. We'll circle it. Tomato, lemon, tomato, tomato. So lemon is odd one. We'll circle it. Carrot, 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 cucumber. So cucumber is odd one. So we will circle it. Carrot, pea, pea, pea. So carrot is odd one, so we will circle it. So kids, it's story time. Let's hop, let's swim. One day, Rosie asked Tippy, I can hop, can you hop? No, I cannot hop, but I can swim. So here, Rosie the rabbit and Dippy the duck. So one day Rosie asked Dippy, I can hop, can you hop? So Dippy said, no, I can't hop, I can swim. I want to swim, I want to hop. So then Rosie said to Dippy that he want to swim. And Dippy said to Rosie that she want to hop. Rosie jumps into the pond, Dippy comes out of the water. Rosie cannot swim, Dippy cannot hop. They cry for help. So kids, when the Rosie and Dippy tries to do each other things like Rosie tried to swim and Dippy tries to hop, but they were failed and they cry for help. Mama Duck and Mama Rabbit rush to their babies to help them. They tell Rosie and Dippy, each one of us is special. Some of us swim, some crawl, some fly, and some hop. We must be happy with what we can do. So kids, then Mama Rabbit and Mama Duck came there and they both tell to Rosie and Dippy that we all have some special qualities, so we should be happy with that. So kids, let's read the poem. Jack in the Box. Jack in the box jumps up like this. He makes me laugh as he waggles his head. I gently press him down again, saying, Jack in the box, you must go to bed. Circle these things hidden in the picture. So kids, here you can see some hidden things are given. You will see the picture clearly and then circle it out. For example, a jug. This is a jug. So this is how you will circle rest of the things. Circle and write. Look at the following pictures. Circle the first letter of the name of each picture. This is igloo. H-M-I-N. So the right answer is I, because igloo starts with letter I. This is Yaj. E-Y-A-V. So the right answer is Y, because Yaj starts with letter Y. This is flower. E-F-Z-H. Right answer is F. Flower start with letter F. This is the picture of key. I-F-K-H. So we'll circle letter K because keys start with letter K. Write the first letter of the name of each picture. So kids, this is the picture of yarn. Yarn start with letter Y. So we'll write Y here. This is the picture of frog. Frog start with letter F. So we'll write F here. This is the picture of horse. So horse start with letter H. So kids, it's story time. Thirsty Crow. One day, it was very hot and a crow was very thirsty. He flew in search of water. So kids, there was a thirsty crow and he flew for search of water. He found an earthen pot. There was very little water in it. So after lots of struggle, he found an earthen pot. So there was very little water in it. So in the pot, the water was very little. The crow got an idea. He put some pieces of stone in the earthen pot. The water rose up. He drank the water. So kids, after that, crow used his presence of mind and he collects some pebbles and pour into the earthen pot. After that, the water rose up and he drank the water. And after drinking water, the crow fled happily. So kids, after drinking the water, the crow fled happily. Family tree. Pick the members who live with you in your family. So kids, this is a family tree. So you will take the members who lives with you in your family. Grandfather, yes. Grandmother, yes. Father, yes. Myself, yes. Mother, yes. Uncle, aunt and cousins, yes. Brother, yes. Sister, yes. Up and down. So kids, here you can see a picture. Kids are playing in slide. One kid is at up and one kid is at down. Pick the child sitting down on the seesaw and cross the child sitting up on the seesaw. So kids, here you can see a picture. Kids are playing seesaw. So kids, girls is on upside, so we will cross it. And Boy is on downside, so we will tick it. Tall and short. So here you can see picture. One is tall and the other is short. Pick the taller ones and cross the shorter one. So here you can see the image of giraffe and rabbit. Giraffe is taller, so we will tick it. Rabbit is shorter, so we will cross it. Here you can see pictures of two trees. So this tree is shorter, we will cross it, and this tree is taller, so we will tick it. Same or different. Here you can see two apples. These are same objects. Here you can see two different plants. This is flower and this is some plant. So these are different objects. Take the thing which is different in shape. Lion, tiger, lion, lion. So tiger is different, we will tick it. Egg, egg, hen, egg. So hen is different, we will tick it. Sheep, monkey, monkey, monkey. So sheep is different, so we will tick it. Comparison, big and small. So kids, here you can see a picture of an elephant and a rat. So elephant is big in size and rat is small in size. Take the bigger one and cross the smaller one. So kids, here you can see pictures of two birds. So this bird is bigger, so we will tick it, and this bird is smaller, so we will cross it. Here you can see picture of two fish. This fish is smaller, we will cross it, and this fish is bigger, we will tick it. Comparison, long and short. Here you can see a train, a long train. This is a picture of bus and the bus is short. Take the longer one and cross the shorter one. So kids, here you can see the picture of snake and caterpillar. So snake is longer in size, so we will tick it, and caterpillar is shorter in size, so we will cross it. Comparison, more and less. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pigeons sitting on the branch, so they are more. And here 1, 2, 3. Only 3 pigeons sitting on the branch, so they are less. Take the pictures that have more and cross that have less. So kids, here you can see a fruit basket where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mangoes in this basket and 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 mangoes in this basket. So this basket has more mangoes, so we will take it. And this basket has less mangoes, so we will cross it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds this side. 1, 2, 3. 3 birds this side. So 4 birds are more, so we will tick it, and 3 birds are less, so we will cross it. Matching. Pair the picture with the correct match of tall to short, big to small, long to short, and more to less. So kids, let's pair the pictures. Long, short, tall, short, big, small, more, less. Patterns. Draw the next shape to complete the pattern, then color it. So kids, here you can see square, triangle, square, triangle, square. Now, what comes next? A triangle. So you will draw here a triangle. Hexagon, star, hexagon, star, hexagon. So what's come next? A star. You will draw a star here. Circle, hexagon, circle, Hexagon, what come next? A circle. You will draw a circle here and color it. Square, triangle, square, triangle, square. So what come next? A triangle. So you will draw a triangle shape here and color it. Triangle, heart, triangle, heart. Triangle. What comes next? A heart. So you'll draw a heart here and color it. Rectangle. See the various objects. Door, blackboard, envelope. So these all objects are rectangular in shape. They all are four-sided with pair of opposite sides equal. This shape is called a rectangle. Trace and color the rectangle. So kids, let's trace the rectangle. So kids, this is how you will trace the rectangle and also color it in your favorite color. Trace the outline of the shapes and speak their names. So what you will do? You will trace the rectangle and also speak their name. For example, this is a rectangle. Let's trace it. So kids, this is how you will trace all the rectangles and speak their names. Triangle. See the various objects. Birthday cap, pizza slice, sandwich. Here you can see all the objects are triangular in shape. They all are three-sided in shape. These shapes is called a triangle. So triangle have three sides. So let's trace the triangle. This is how you will trace it and color it in your favorite color. Trace the outline of the shapes and speak their names. So kids, you will trace the outlines of the shape of triangle and also speaks their name. This is how you will complete all the triangles. Circle. See the various objects. Clock, football, ring. So these all objects are circular in shape. They all are round in shape. This shape is called a circle. Trace and color the circle. So kids, circle is basically round in shape. You will trace it and color it. This is how you will trace it and color it in your favorite color. Follow the outline of the shapes and speak their names. So kids, you will trace all the circles given here and speaks its name. This is how you will complete it and speaks its name. Square. See the various objects. Carom board, clock, chessboards. So these all three objects are square in shape. They all are four equal sided in shape. These shapes is called square. So squares have four sides and they all are equal. So let's trace it. This is how you will trace it. Trace and color the square. And you will also color the square in your favorite color. Follow the outline of the shapes and speak their name. So kids, you will trace the outline. This is how you will complete the shape square. Activity. Write tick for the inside ones and cross for the outside ones. So here you can see a lion inside the cage and a lion outside the cage. So the object which is inside, we will tick it, and the object which is outside, we will cross it. Here you can see books are outside of the bag and books are inside of the bag. So the objects are outside, so we will cross it, and objects are inside, we will tick it. Here you can see rat is outside of the hole and fox is inside of the den. So rat is outside, so we will cross it, and fox is inside, so we will tick it. Fun time. Complete the picture by coloring it. So kids, here you can see a picture of sun, so you can color it in a yellow color and also paste a yellow glaze paper here. Here you can see a picture of a tree, so you can color it in green or paste green glaze paper here. And here you can see a picture of windows and doors, so you can paste brown color paper here and also color it in brown. Number 1. So this is number 1. 1. Tiger. Trace and write. So kids, let's trace the number 1. This is how you will trace it and complete it. And how many fingers can you see here? 1. O-N-E, 1. Tick the boxes that represent 1. So we will tick that box which represent number 1. How many fingers can you see? 1. So we will tick it. How many mangoes can you see? 1, 2. So we will not tick it. How many dots in the dice you can see? 1. So we will tick it. Color 1 teddy bear. Here you can see 3 teddy bears are here. So you will color only 1. Trace number with crayon. So kids, with the help of crayon, you will trace here the number. Help the cat reach 10 by tracing 1 jump. So kids, let's help the cat to reach number 10 by tracing 1 jump. For example, 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and 9 to 10. Number 2. So kids, here you can see the number 2, and here 1, 2, 2 rabbits. Trace and write. So kids, you will trace the dots and complete the number 2. And also write the number 2. So like this, you will complete this activity in your book. How many fingers can you see? 1, 2. So this is number 2. T-W-O, 2. Tick the boxes that represent 2. How many fingers can you see? 1, 2. So we will tick it. How many balls can you see? Only 1. So we will not tick it. How many dots in the dice can you see? Only 2. So we will tick it. Match 2 with 2 objects. So here, number 2, we will match it with only 2 objects. So 1, 2, 2 leaves. 1, 2, 2 arrows. 1 balloon. No. Trace number with a crayon. So kids, here you can see the dots are given. You will trace them with the help of crayon. Help the cat reach 2 by tracing 2 jumps. Okay, so kids, let's help the cat to reach 2. So we will trace the given dots. Number 3. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 penguin. Trace and write. So kids, let's trace the number 3 and write it. So this is how you will trace the number 3 and write it and complete this activity. How many fingers can you see? 1, 2, 3. So T-H-R-E-E, 3. Tick the boxes that represent 3. How many fingers can you see? 1, 2, 3. So we will tick it. How many pigeon can you see? 1, 2, 3. We will tick it. How many dots in the dice you can see? 1, 2. So we will not tick it. Count and circle. 1, 2, 3. 3 pomegranate. 2, 3, 1. So the right answer is 3. We will circle it. Trace 3 number with a crayon. So kids, you will trace this given dots with the help of crayon. Help the cat reach 3 by tracing 3 jumps. So let's trace the dots. 1, 2, 3. Number 4. So kids, this is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dogs. Trace and write. So let's trace the dot. So this is how you will complete this activity. How many fingers can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. F-O-U-R. This is 4. Tick the boxes that represent 4. How many fingers can you see? 1, 2, 3. So, no. How many balloons can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we will tick it. How many dots in the dice can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is right. We will tick it. Color 4 strawberries. So, kids, here you can see so many strawberries are drawn here. You will color only 4. Trace number with a crayon. So kids, with the help of crayon, you will trace it. Help the cat reach 4 by tracing 4 jumps. So let's trace the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, cats reach the number 4. Number 5. So kids, this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tomatoes. Trace and write. Let's trace the dot. So kids, this is how you will trace and write the number 5 and complete this activity. How many fingers can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Tick the boxes that represent 5. How many fingers can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will tick it. How many balls can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will tick it. How many dots can you see in the dice? 1, 2, 3. So we will not tick it. Match 5 with 5 objects. This is number 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 lattu? No. 1, 2. 2 bats? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons? Yes. We will match it. Trace number with crayon. So kids, you will trace the dots and complete the number 5 with crayon. Help the cat reach 5 by tracing 5 jumps. So kids, here you can see dots are given. So you will trace them and complete the jumps. So cat can reach number 5. Number 6. So kids, this is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 goats. Trace and write. Let's trace and write. So this is how you will complete this activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 fingers. S-I-X, 6. Tick the boxes that represent 6. How many fingers can you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, we will tick it. How many hearts can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. How many dots can you see in the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, we will tick it. Count and circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mangoes. 5, 4, 6. So the right answer is 6. We will circle it. Trace number with crayon. So kids, here you will trace the dots and complete the number 6, and you will trace it with your favorite color. Help the cat reach 6 by tracing 6 jumps. So kids, here dots are given. You will trace them and help the cat to reach number 6. Fun time. Count the things and write their number, the circle. So kids, we will count the things which is given here and write their number in the circle. Lemon, 1, 2. So there are 2 lemons. We'll write number 2 here. Jalebi, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 jalebis. We'll write 3 here. Kite, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 kites. We'll write number 4 here. Ball, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balls here. We will write number 6 here. Number 7. This is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 parrots. Trace and write. So kids, let's trace the number 7. This is how you will trace it and write it and complete this activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Tick the boxes that represent 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it represents the number 7. We will tick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are only 6 mangoes. So we will not tick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 dots in the dice. So we will tick it. Count and circle. So kids, here you can see chocolates are given. So you will count them and circle them. Trace number with crayon. Here you will trace the dot with the help of crayon and complete the number 7. Help the cat reach 7 by tracing 7 jumps. So kids, you will trace the given dots and help the cat to reach the number 7. Number 8. So kids, this is number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 teddy bears. Trace and write. So kids, let's trace the number 8 and write it. So kids, this is how you will write and trace number 8 and complete this activity in your book. How many fingers can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 fingers. A-I-G-H-T, 8. Tick the boxes that represent 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers. So yes, we will tick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bananas. So yes, we will tick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots in the dice. So yes, we will tick it. Count and circle. So kids, this is number 8. So which objects in numbers in 8 repeat? So kids, this is number 8. So we will count the objects and which is 8 in numbers, we will match it with 8 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bananas? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 butterflies? No. Trace number with crayon. So kids, here you will trace the given dots and complete the number 8 with the given crayon color. Help the cat reach 8 by tracing 8 jumps. So kids, here you will trace the given dots and help the cat to reach number 8. Number 9. So kids, here is number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fishes. Trace and write. So kids, let's trace the number 9 and write it. This is how you will trace it and write it and complete this activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 fingers. N-I-N-E, 9. Tick the boxes that represent 9. So, how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 fingers. So, yes, we will tick the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 balls, so we will not tick the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here are 9 dots in the dice, so we will tick the box. count and circle. So let's count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 butterflies. 7, 8, 9. 9 is the right answer, so we will circle it. Trace a number with crayon. So kids, here you can see some dots are given. So you will trace it and complete the number 9 with the help of crayon. Help the cat reach 9 by tracing 9 jumps. So kids, here you can see some dots are given. So you will trace them and help the cat to reach number 9. 0, the hero. So kids, this is the number 0. 0, the hero. He is so cool. 0, the hero. He comes to school. 0, the hero. He holds his place. So no other number can take his place. Trace and write. So kids, let's trace it. This is how you will trace it and write it and complete this activity. And this is 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Color only the circle with 0. So kids, here you can see a picture. So wherever 0 is written, you will color it. For example, this circle, and this circle, and this circle has 0 number on it. So you will color it. Tick the boxes that represent 0. So kids, in this activity, you will tick that box which represent number 0. This box shows one fist. So this represent no 0. So we will not tick the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots in the dice. So we will not tick the box. 1 ball. So we will not tick the box. And here you can see there is nothing in the picture. So nothing means 0. So we will tick that box. Number 10. So kids, this is number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds. Trace and write. So kids, let's trace it. So this is how you will trace the number 10 and write it. How many fingers can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 fingers. T-E-N, 10. Tick the boxes that represent 10. Count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 fingers, so we will tick the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 owls, so we will not tick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 dots in the dice, so we will tick the box. Color 10 lotus. So kids, here you can see lots of lotus are given. So you will count the lotus and color only 10 lotuses. Okay. Trace the number with crayon. So kids, here you can see the dots. You will trace the number with the help of crayon. Help the cat reach 10 by tracing 10 jumps. So kids, here you will trace the dots and help the cat to reach number 10. Number revision. Count and color. Count the objects. Color the circle with the correct number. So let's count the object. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. 2 or 3. So the right number is 3. So you will color this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 arrows. 5, 4. So the right number is 5. You will color this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons. 3, 6. So the right number is 6. You will color this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 leaves. 5, 8. So 8 is the right number. You will color this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers. 8, 9. So 9 is the right number, so you will color this. Join the dots. Join the dots from 1 to 10 and color the picture. So kids, let's join the dots. So this is how you will complete this picture, and after that you will color it. Find and color. Find and color the circle with given color code with number 1 to 10. So kids, here you can see some color codes are given, and here you can see the picture of frog and some codes are written on it. So for 1 you will color it in brown, for 2 you will color it in purple, for 3 you will color it in blue, for 4 you will color it in green, for 5 you will color it in sky blue, for 6 in pink, for 7 in yellow, for 8 in orange, for 9 in red, and for 10 in green. So this is how you will color it. Bees path. Join the dots path to take the bees to the beehive. So let's join the dots. So this is how you will join the dots and complete this activity. Count and write 1 to 10. So let's count the object and then write their number. 1, 2, 2 balls. So we will write here number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dogs. So we will write here 4 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rabbits. So we will write here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mangoes, so we'll write here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll write here number 10. 1 giraffe, so we will write here 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 penguins, so we'll write here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tomatoes, so we'll write here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hens, so we will write here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll write here 9. Number names. Say, write the number names. So kids, we will say and write the number names. This is 1. 1 finger, so we'll write O-N-E 1. Here only one lion, will write O-N-E 1. And the rest of the space you will fill the O-N-E 1 number. This is number 2 and its number name is TWO2. Here 1, 2, 2 deers, so we'll write TWO2. So kids, in this space you will write on your own TWO2. 3. This is number 3. And its number name is THREE 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 zebras. Rest you will write on your own. Number 4. Number name FOUR 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 donkeys. You write here 4. Rest you will write on your own. Number 5, FIV, is a number name of number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 penguins. Rest you write on your own. Number 6, SIX, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write here 6. Rest you'll write on your own. Number 7, SEVEN 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rats. Rest you'll write on your own. Number 8, AIGHT is a number name of number 8. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squirrels. You write here 8. Rest you write on your own. Number 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ducks. You write here 9. Rest you will write on your own. Number 10, T-E-N, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ants. You write here 10. And rest you will write on your own. Picture discussion. So kids, here you can see a picture and there are birthday cake and there is some foods, Coca-Cola, gifts and lots of animals like rabbit, penguin and birds are also here like crow and rats are also here. There are also a wall, which means this is a kind of a birthday party. Count and place the right number in the circle. So kids, we will count the objects and write the number in the circle. Gift. So how many gifts are in the pictures? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 gifts. So we will write here 3. Rabbit. How many rabbits are there? 1, 2. Only 2 rabbits. So we will write here 2. Cake. How many cakes are there? 1. Only 1 cake. So we'll write here 1. This is a brown rat. So how many brown rats are there? 1, 2, 3. Only 3. So we'll write here 3. Balls. Let's count the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls. So we'll write here 7. Pigeon. Is there any pigeon? No, there is no pigeon. So we'll write here 0. Cold drinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 glasses of cold drinks. So we'll write here 9. Crow. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 crows. So we'll write here 4. Samosa. Count the samosa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 samosas. So we'll write here 6. All about me. So this is all about me. Hello, I am. If you are a boy, you will tick this box, and if you are a girl, you will tick this box. So I am a girl, so I will tick this box. My name is, you will write your name here. So I'll write my name here. This is me. Paste your photograph here. So kids, you will paste your photograph in the given space. My family. So let's learn about my family. This is my family. So, mother, father, aunt, uncle, brother, grandfather, toddler, grandmother, sister, cousin. So, these are the members who lives in the family. My family members. Who is in your family? Tick each one of them. Cousins. Do your cousins live with your family? If yes, you will tick it. If no, so you will not tick it. Okay? Sister and brother. If you have sister and brother, so you will tick it. Aunt. If your aunt live with you, so you will tick the box. Father, yes. Mother, yes. Grandfather, if your grandfather lives with you, so you will tick the box. Grandmother, if your grandmother lives with you, so you will tick the box. Uncle, if your uncle lives with you, so you will also tick the box. Fun corner. We do fun with our family. We spend time together. So kids, this is the picture you can see here. This is a picture of a family who are sitting together watching television and kids are playing here. So this is how family fun together. Our body parts. So let's learn our body parts. Head, eye, teeth, mouth, arm, thigh, leg, toes, hair, nose, neck, shoulder, chest, stomach, hand, fingers, knee, foot. Say aloud with action. This is my head. These are my toes. This is my nose to smell a rose. These are my lips. These are my ears. These are my eyes to see far and near. These are my teeth. These are my hands. And these are my legs on which I stand. Touch good and bad. Good touch happens when someone touches you in a way that makes you feel safe, secure, and happy. A pat from your father, shaking hands with your friends. So, kids, these all touches are good touches. Bad touch happens when someone touches you in a way that makes you feel unsafe, sad, and uncomfortable. Pinching is a bad touch. Someone beating you is also a bad touch. Touching your private parts, it's a bad touch, and kicking is also a bad touch. My sense organs. We all have 5 sense organs which help us with many things. Let's take a look. So kids, we have 5 sense of organs. Let's learn about them. I smell with my nose. So nose is our sense of organ. I taste with my tongue. Tongue is also our sense organ. I hear with my ears. Ears are also our sense organs. I see with my eyes. Eyes are also our sense organs. I feel with my skin. So skin is our also sense organ. So nose, tongue, ears, eyes and skin are our 5 sense of organs. Activity. Our body parts help us with many things. Circle the correct pictures and tell what do these body parts help us with. Ears. So, do ears help us listening music or eating apples? The right answer is listening music. Tongue. So, do tongue help us tasting food or painting? It helps us in tasting food. Nose. Do nose help us touching ant or smelling flowers? So, it helps us in smelling flowers. Eyes. Do eyes help us in singing or watching televisions? So, it helps us in watching television. Feelings. So, let's learn about some feelings. Bored, sad, angry, happy, shy, surprised, scared, excited, confused. So kids, all these are our feelings, and with these feelings our face expression also change. If you are bored, so we look like this, and if you are sad, so we look like this. If you are angry, so our face goes like this. So this is how with the feelings our expression and body language also changes. Activity. Match the pictures with their names. So let's match the picture with their names. Bored, sad, angry, happy, shy, surprised. My sweet home. So kids, this is the picture of home. Paste a photograph of your house in the frame. So kids, in the given space, you will paste your home photograph here. This is my house. It is in dash city. So you will write your city name here. For example, I live in Delhi. So my house is in Delhi. So I'll write here Delhi. It has dash rooms. So you will write also the number of rooms in your house. So I have 4 rooms in my house, so I'll write here 4. There are several rooms in my house. The living room, the bedroom, the bathroom, the study room, the kitchen, the dining room. Know about the different parts of the house. So kids, here a word bank is given. With the help of word bank, you will fill the different parts of the house. For example, roof. This is roof. This is window. This is door. These are steps. This is floor. This is pillars. And this is porch. Draw and color your sweet house here. So kids, in the given space, you will draw your house picture here and color it. Safety at home. Do not do these. So let's learn some safeties. Do not jump on bed. Do not run on stairs. Do not touch power buttons. Do not play with fire. Do not play with sharp objects. Activity. Tick you do or cross you don't at your home. So kids, this is the activity you will do on your own. So if you jump on bed, you will tick it, and if you not, you will cross it. Do not run on stairs. So if you run on the stairs, so you will tick the box, and if you don't, you will not. Do not touch power buttons. If you touch power button, so you will tick it, and if you don't, you will cross it. Do not play with fires. If you play with fires in your home, so you will tick it, and if you don't, so you will cross it. Do not play with sharp objects. If you play with sharp objects in home, so you will tick it. If you don't, so you will cross it. Kids, let's sing a rhyme together. Early to bed. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Circle these things hidden in the picture. So kids, here you can see some pictures are highlighted. You will circle these pictures in the given picture. For example, there is a clock, you will circle it. There's a pillow, you will circle it here, and there is a vase, you will circle it here. This is how you will do the activity. So kids, let's sing a rhyme together. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Circle these things hidden in the picture. So kids, here you can see some hidden things are given here. You will look at the picture very carefully and then circle the hidden things given here. Helping your family. Take the pictures that shows you are helping your family member. So kids, here some activities are given. You will take that activity which you do to help your family members. Helping father? Yes. Helping mother? Yes. Playing with siblings? Yes. Helping grandmother? Yes. Neighborhood. Observe each place, name it aloud, and circle the one you have visited with your parents. So, school, hospital, bank, temple, bus stop, market, cinema hall, railway station, police stations. Fun time. Take Furkan and his father to the kitchen. Name the vegetables that Furkan's father can use to cook vegetable curry. So kids, this is the activity and you will do it on your own. My school. This is my school. My school comprises of different places. My classroom, a computer room, the library, music room, principal's office. Write the missing letters in the boxes to complete the classroom objects vocabulary. So, let's write the missing letters. This is notebook. N O T E B O O K. Notebook. This is crayons. C R A Y O N S. Crayons. This is Desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. This is pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. This is book. B-O-O-K. Book. This is school bag. S-C-H-O-O-L-B-A-G. Bag. This is eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. This is lunchbox. L-U-N-C-H-B-O-X. Lunchbox. Who is your favorite teacher? So, kids, in the given space, you will write your favorite teacher name here. Safety at school. Talk about the given pictures. Don'ts, do's. Don't push anybody. Don't cheat. And don't jump on the desk. Do's. So, while using the stairs, hold hand railing. Share your things with your friends and study in groups. Food. So kids, let's learn some foods name. Milk, jam, cake, ice cream, rice, fruits, burger, sweets, vegetables, cold drinks, pizza, bread. Name any 4 fruits. So kids, here you will name any 4 fruits. For the teacher, ask the children the things they like to eat. Tell them that good food habits are essential for good health. Good habits. There are some good habits. Read and elevate your life with good habits. So kids, let's learn some good habits. Wake up early, brush your teeth, take a bath, have breakfast, go to school on time, study with focus. Activity. Circle good habits from the following pictures. So, eating breakfast is a good habit or bad? It's a good habit, so you will circle it. Playing with dogs is a good habit or bad? It's a good habit, so you will circle it. Fighting with each other, is it good or bad? It is bad, so we'll not circle it. Taking bath is good or bad? It's good, so we'll circle it. Reading books is good or bad? It's good, so we'll circle it. Throwing garbage in the dustbin, is it good or bad? It's good, so we will circle it. Things we do. You do these in the morning. So kids, what we do in the morning? We brush our teeth and we go to school. You do these after school. We play with our dog and we play with our friends. You do these at night. We have dinner with our family at night and we sleep at night. Activity. Take the picture, you do. In the morning, what we do in the morning? Brush our teeth or sleep? We brush our teeth. So we will take it. After school, what we do after school? We eat or we play? We eat. At night, what we do at night? We sleep or we play? We sleep. So we will take this. Body movements. Body movements are good for your physical well-being. Let's us observe the following body movements. So kids, let's learn some body movement. Stretching, balancing, walking, running, fun time, save water. So kids, here you can see this is a maze. So you will help the girl to reach the tap. So this is activity, you will do it in your own. So this is the activity, you will do it by yourself. Summer season. What do you say? Talk about the picture. Summer season. What do you see? Talk about the picture. So kids, here you can see a picture, and this is a summer picture. Here you can see an ice cream van, a sun, and children are enjoying ice cream because it's very hot and we enjoy eating ice creams in summer. Activity. Tick the one you like and cross you do not like in summer. So, do you like hot tea in summer? No. Ice cream. Do you like ice cream in summer? Yes. Scarf. Do you like scarf in summer? No. Do you like sun in summer? No. Do you like flip-flops in summers? Yes. Do you like wool hat in summer? No. Do you like sweatshirt in summer? No. Winter season, what do you see? Talk about the picture. So kids, here you can see a picture of a winter season. There's everywhere a snow and kids are wearing very warm clothes, very warm hats, and also they are enjoying bonfire. Activity, complete the picture by coloring. So kids, here you can see a pictures are given of hat, scarf, gloves, socks, shoes, jacket and a boy. You will color it and complete it. Rainy season, what do you see? Talk about the picture. So kids, here you can see a picture of a rainy season. There's a rain, there's a kids who are enjoying in the rain, and there's a beautiful umbrella they are holding, and mother is at home and she makes some samosas and chai which we enjoy during the rain. Activity, match the pictures. So kids, let's match the pictures. Samosa, this is samosa. Cloud, this is cloud. Umbrella, this is umbrella. Rain, this is rain. Cup, this is a cup. Magical words. These are some magic words that we use. So kids, let's learn some magical words. Thank you, Ankit. Please help me, Grandma. Excuse me, sorry, Abhishek. So kids, thank you, please, excuse me, and sorry are magical words. Problem solving. Take the missing piece to solve the puzzle. So kids, here you can see a puzzle is given. So you have to tick the missing part so the puzzle can be completed. So there is a vegetable and some bottles and a saucepan. So which is missing? A vegetable basket. Cylinder. Color the cylinder using crayons. So kids, you will color this cylinder with crayons, and color reference is also given here, like this part and this part you will color in pink and this part you will color in blue. My mother's name. Color the shape that shows the letter of your mother's name. So kids, here you can see alphabets given and also a color code is also given. So you will color your mother's name's alphabet. For example, my mother's name is Reena. So I'll color letter R in orange, letter E in orange. If there is another E, so you will also color it, and letter N in green and letter A in red. So this is how you will complete this activity. Rocket. Fold the page along the dotted line. Now drop paint on one side of the rocket, refold and rub with fingers. Now open the page to see the beautiful rocket. So kids, this is your activity, and with the help of page and paint, you will do it by your own. Hot air balloon. Color the hot air balloon and use bindis to decorate it. So kids, first you will color the hot air balloon, and color reference is also given, and then after that you will use bindis to decorate the hot air balloon. Bear. Use an earbud dipped in brown color to create spots on the bear. So kids, what you have to do is you will dip earbud in brown color and then create spot on given picture. This is how you will complete the picture of bear. Lion. Color the lion using crayons. So kids, here you can see lion is drawn and also color reference is given here. So you will color lion with the crayons. Orange. Paste orange peels in the outline of the orange. So kids, here you can see an orange is drawn. You will paste orange peels in the outline of the orange and complete it. Umbrella. Color the umbrella using crayons. So kids, here you can see an umbrella. So you will use crayons to color it, and color reference is also given in the umbrella. Cat. Color the cat as shown below. So kids, here you can see a cat is drawn. So you will color the cat as shown in the picture. Home. Join the dots using black sketch pen and then color the home as shown below. So kids, here you can see dots are drawn. So you will connect them, trace them and complete the home and then color as shown in the small picture. Yacht. Color the yacht using the color codes. So kids, here you can see color codes are given and yacht is drawn. You will use color code to fill the yacht. For example, 1. This part you will color in blue. 2. This part you will color in neon green. 3. This part you will color in yellow. 4. You will color in lemon yellow. 5. You will color in purple. 6. You will color in brown. 7. You will color in orange. 8. You will color in green. Flower. Color the flower using crayons. So kids, you will use crayons to fill the color in flower, and color reference is also given here. Sheep. Color the sheep using crayons. So kids, you will color the sheep using crayons and color reference is also given here. Bird. Color the bird using crayons. So kids, here you can see bird is drawn. So you will color the bird with using crayons and color reference is also given here. So kids, this book is finished. I hope you enjoy learning. See you in the next class.